To prevent cables getting caught in the tube during blowing, we must clean the inside of the tube. The first stage is to simply blow air through the tube to get rid of any debris that may be in there. Connect a high pressure hose to the end of the tube and open the air valve. Air can be felt at the other end, but you must wear protective gloves. If you have a long duct, then you could use radio to communicate with your working colleague at the other end. After the air, we use a fibre bung, so fit the receptacle at the far end to catch the projectile. It will exit at high speed. Unplug the compressed air, squeeze and compress the bung, and then push it into the end of the tube. Connect the air hose and observe the pressure gauge. The resistance of the bung will require a little pressure to be maintained during the blow. Keep the pressure around 40 pounds per square inch, which is about 2.5 to 3 bar. At the far end, the bung will arrive with violence, so keep well clear. But let us watch that again, but in slow motion. The bung will arrive without damage, so remove it from the receptacle while the man at the beginning of the tube can prepare the next shot. The next shot through the tube is the same again, a compressed bung. But this time, add a little lubricating oil in front of the bung. The oil will be used to lubricate the complete length of the tube. Squeeze the bung, insert it in the tube, push it in, and then fire away with the compressed air gun. Before you release the air, warn your colleague at the other end to expect delivery of the projectile.